Hi dear customers, this is our QLQ automatic ear lopper welding machine, which is with label hand. The output is 35 pieces per minute to 45 pieces per minute. At the first 10 days, please use this machine with 35 pieces per minute to match the machine every spare parts to be more smooth. After 10 days, you can adjust the machine to be 38 pieces or 42 pieces per minute. Now let me show you the machine construction. Okay. See, here is the box which you put the mask body to be inside. Okay. And then see, here is the touch screen. Okay. And here is the clipper, label hand. We say label hand, okay? And then here is for cutting the ear lopper and fixing. And you can see this is ultrasonic, okay? This is the right side ear lopper. And here is the left side ear lopper, okay? And this is the result which we made just now. Now let me operate the machine. Okay, you can see the label hand catch the mask out from the box, and then fix the ear lopper from there. Okay, and then you can see it's go to 15 from there. And then now let our technician show the result. Okay, you can see it's very strong. Okay, very strong. Okay, so anyone we can take one piece more. Okay, let me show you the point. Okay, see the welding point. See the welding point. Okay, you can see the point. See here. Okay. Okay, very nice and without any burr. So, if you are interested for this machine, you are welcome to contact us. This is our QLQ ear lopper welding machine. Thank you for your interest. Thank you.